Hello everyone. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. In order to install Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant, you have to enable Google Play Store support on a Chromebook. So we already have a video on it. I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Google Play Store, simply open it from the app launcher. Now simply click on search option and search for Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant. And from the search result, simply select it, then click on install. And wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, you can simply close Google Play Store window, click on app launcher, and here you will find Copilot application. Simply open it and sign in with your Microsoft account in order to use Microsoft Copilot AI Assistant. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you in next video.